So you want to install the JDM cover for your G35 and make it look all neat and stuff like the other side? Well, you're gonna run into some problems. Let me show you. You have a weather strip here, and it doesn't sit flush, right? It's a little bit wobbly. So you say, oh, well, of course, dude, I have to take this off. But once you take this off, like now it should fit perfectly. And then you're like, but this is like leaning up like that. It doesn't have no support, no nothing. So what I'm gonna do is, first off, I'm gonna cut it off here to make it look like that. I'm gonna cut off this part of the G because it's plastic. It has a bolt there. They're trying to prevent that from lifting. So if I could take that off, this will go down and go flush. Alright, so the final verdict is either you cut the plastic or you cut the metal on the G35. I didn't want to cut the metal inside my garage because it threw sparks and I didn't want to cause a fire. So my last resort was to cut the inside of this, which I didn't want to do, but I had no choice. I only have the clip here and a screw there, which is held on by the plastic under it. And you still have access to your components here. Really nice. I also made an inseam here, like a little cut, so it could look like it has that little piece there, like an illusion of it. And I think it looks great. To be honest, I love the look of both covers on. Interesting, guys. God bless. Stay prayed up. Peace.